Hi everyone, this is our game demonstration. During the demonstration we occurred some problems, like the camera synchronizing with the project. Hence the symbols were not displayed well, they were not mapping with the images. Secondly, the scores were also a problem. They were not displayed well. They should be in the right hand side of the table, like you will notice. Once the child gets the right shape in the right space, the sound will go like.
Well done.
And once they get the shape in the wrong place, or the sound will go like.
Try
Hope you
again.
enjoy the game demonstration. Thank you. Okay, hi everyone. This is the interface of our game. Basically, it's a geometrical game. This is mainly the key concept of our game is to educate children, get the children to engage with the game. It's challengeable, it's fun, and there's also a lot of interaction with the game. Number one, it has 3 parts. The game consists of 3 parts. That's the triangle, the quadrangle, and the circle. So what a child has to do is get a right shape of each part of the game. Say the triangle, all the child has to do is, what the child has to do is get the triangle, put it in the right space, or the right area. So like you would see, this is the triangle. This is the triangle, and that's wrong because it's in the quadrangle space. The child has to move it to the right space, which is this. Well, I don't know why it's not working. Okay, let's try this next one. Let's try the quadrangle. Okay, right, that is it. We just got the triangle right, okay? So you can see that this is right. So we'll move on to the quadrangle. This is the triangle, so you just know the child has gone wrong here. They have to get a different shape. They have to make sure that the shape they're getting is right. So you can see this is right. This is the quadrangle. So here the child will be asked to move the circle. Of course that is wrong because they put the quadrangle. They have to try again. That's right, that's the circle. Basically the game has to include the 5 concepts, which is fun, challengeable, engagement, educational, and interaction. The fun bit of the game is the child is playing with the game. Of course there are sounds, but we're having a problem with the sounds as of now. But hopefully the next stage the sounds will be working right. Of course the graphics of the games. And rotating the shape, basically a child is playing around to figure out which is the right shape. So that's rotating around. That's also fun. The colors as well. These are different colors. You can see here green, this is yellow. That's also part of fun. The next concept will be like the challenging bit, which is we've got timeline. Of course you can see there's timeline here. It's not working well as of now, but we're working on it, and hopefully in the final design the timeline will be working. That's part of the challengeable bit as well. Identifying each shape is also challengeable because the child is not sure which is the shape. This is the circle here, they're okay. They're not sure of the quadrangle, which is wrong here, so they have to identify each shape. Knowing where to display the shape is also challengeable. The next concept will be engagement. Of course, I'm engaging with the game here. I'm interacting with the game personally. As a child, the child is interacting with the game. Using the reactivation software will also be part of the engagement with the game. Dragging and dropping the shapes as well is also part of engaging with the game. The educational part of the game is the child is knowing the properties of the shapes. Of course, the triangle, the child will know a triangle has 3 parts, 3 sides, or whatever it is. The other part, the child is knowing that this is a triangle, this is a circle. Of course, a circle goes round and round and round. Being able to distinguish between a triangle and a circle is also helping the child learn as well. The final bit is interaction. Well, at the moment the child is interacting with the game, they're enjoying the game. The feedback from the sound, which will be maybe this is a wrong shape, try again. That's also part of interaction. The music in the background which we're working on is also going to be part of interaction. And well, basically the whole game is an interactive interface. That's it.
Thank you.